Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters.
Good afternoon, Father.
We have been hearing, we have been watching, we have been reading a lot of news about people asking for their accountability. News, stories that would concern common good. Issues that would give an amount of support to those in need. Naririnig din po natin ang iba't ibang mga balitaktakan, ika nga po natin, ng mga puwersa sa dalawang mga koponan. Nagsabi ng totoo, bibigyan o babatuhin ng mga masasakit na salita. Pariringgan, magsasabi ng mga ilang salita. And maybe you have heard or you may have read that just this morning, there's a news in the USA of a certain human life advocate shot dead while he's there preaching and sharing about life. What could be the missing part or what could be a good remedy or reminder if such things would continue to go on? Hindi naman maganda na ito na lang lagi ang laman ng naririnig natin, ng buhay natin, na may nagnanakaw, na may hindi nagmamahal, na hindi tapat, na patuloy na lamang tinatrato ang buhay na parang isang pitik na lamang at hindi na biyaya ng Diyos sa atin. Let us remember the words of St. Paul to the Colossians in our first reading today. He reminded them to let the peace of Christ control their hearts. The peace that would make them one. Kaya baka madaming galit, baka madaming hindi katapatan, madami ang mga hinanakit sa puso ng madaming tao o marahil tayo, baka hindi na si Jesus ang humahawak ng ating mga puso. It is not anymore the peace of Christ controlling our hearts. And maybe we are not just only seeing them or reading them through social media. Maybe around us every day, when we get into our homes, to communities, to families, to friends where we are, may mga sakit, may mga pighati na namamayani. Pero baka kaya ganun ang nangyayari, baka hindi na kapayapaan ni Kristo ang namumukod tangi sa atin. And what will be the fruits of us having Christ's control over our hearts? Hindi ho ba nabigatan kayo sa mga sinabi ni Jesus sa ating mabuting balita ngayong araw na ito? To give an extra effort in our Christian loving, to pray for our enemies, to do good to those who hate us, to extend the generosity even to those undeserving or to those we are not really familiar about. To be merciful as our Father is merciful. Mahihirap na bagay, pero posible kung ang humahawak sa puso ng tao ay ang kapayapaan ni Jesus. Mahirap maging disipulo ni Jesus. It is a complex reality for many. But it will be a grace when we ask Christ to control our hearts. Hayaan natin na panghawakan ni Jesus ang ating mga puso at papanatag at papayapa anuman ang nasa atin o nasa iyo. Take away Christ controlling our hearts. Then loving will be erased in this world. Violence may be there left and right every day. But if Christ's peace will control our hearts, then we hope, we see in our future peace, love, and gentleness that we shall serve and share for one another.